Hey DevOps Engineer, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today is day 6 of our DevOps English series and we are going to explore a very important and frequently used Linux command which is mkdir. Mkdir simply means make directory. It helps you create folder in your Linux environment which is a basic but essential skill for every DevOps engineers as well as for every Linux system administrator. So let's start with basic syntax of our mkdir command. So this is the syntax mkdir command. After that option, after that directory name with path. This is the syntax of our mkdir command. Here below is the example. Mkdir is command, -v is option, cloud with Vivek is the name of directory. So basically I'm going to create cloud with Vivek directory in current path. So that's why I did not mention any path. But if you want to create your directory in a specific folder or in a specific path like slash inside slash etc or inside slash bin, then you have to mention with proper path. Example, mkdir -v for verbose means it will create and it will print that this directory created. After that you are going to define path. So inside etc I want to create python directory, so it will create python directory, right? So let's come on our Linux playground and we will do practice here. So basically I'm gonna log in with root user. Why? Because if you will work with normal user, so maybe you can face permission deny error. That's why from day one I am suggesting you that in starting days you should use as a root user. After that we will move on normal user also. So you can see here there is no folder, no directories. I want to create a directory. So mkdir is command, -v is option, v for verbose. After that name of the directory, so cloud with Vivek is the our directory. So you can see that it has printed created directory cloud with Vivek. So you can see if you will not use -v option, it will only create, it will not print that this directory created. See example, mkdir DevOps, it created but it did not print any message that this directory created. So this is the basic example. Now we are gonna create multiple directory at a time. How you will create? mkdir is command. After that, how many directories you want create, give the name of that directories. So I want create here Abhishek, Vivek, Mohit, Rohit, Roshni, right? So I want to create these 5 directories at a time. So I will press enter. So it will create all these directory at a time, right? Now guys, if you want to create any directory inside a directory, so how you will do? So first of all, I am doing listing content of DevOps directory. You can see there is no content inside DevOps directory. That's why no result of ls command. I want to create a directory inside DevOps. So what I will do, mkdir, after that name of directory where you want to create. So my DevOps directory is in current location. So that's why I directly return or wrote name of the directory. But if DevOps is inside slash etc or inside slash bin, then I have to give proper path. But my DevOps directory is in current path. That's why I write DevOps. After that, inside DevOps, I want to create Linux directory. So I will press enter. When you will ls inside DevOps, you will see Linux. So this is the proper way, right? But suppose that you want to create a directory Dell, okay, where, sorry, you want to create a directory laptop inside Dell, but Dell directory not existing in your current location. So what it will do? It will give error. What it will do, guys? It will give error. You can read this error. Can't create directory Dell laptop. No such file or directory. Why it is giving? Because you wanna create laptop directory inside Dell directory, but Dell directory not available. So that's why it is giving error. But I want to create directory laptop inside Dell. So how you can do? There is two way. First one, you should create Dell directory. After that, you can create laptop directory. Second option, you can use -p option. What you can do? You can use -p option. So it will create Dell directory inside. Sorry, it will create laptop directory inside Dell directory. Okay, so Dell and laptop both directory will be created at a time. See, now here is Dell directory, or and you will ls, so it will show the laptop directory. So I hope it will be clear for everyone, right? Let's come. I want to create a directory Vivek Rajak with the name of Vivek Rajak. So mkdir. So you should recall my previous lecture touch command. I told you, like, you want to create Vivek Rajak directory, but directory should be one, name should be in space, but directory should be one. Then you should use double quotation or backslash, right? So you can see that Vivek Rajak is the only single directory. There is name space in your directory name, but directory is single only. Same thing like mkdir, I want to create iPhone mobile, only one directory. What you can do? You can use another option, backward slash, right? You can see. So this is the option also that you can use. After that, guys, when we are going to create all these directory, what is permission? You can see ls-l. So all directories have this permission: read, write, read, write, execute, read, execute, read, execute, right? I want to create that every directory which I am going to create, it should create with permission read, write, read, write, read, write, execute, right? Means 777. So how you can do? So guys, for this thing I will use mkdir command. After that, -m option, m for modify. And what permission you want to give? I want to give 777. For which directory? I created for Tata. Enter. You will see ls and this Tata. And if you will ls-l, so you will see that Tata has full permission, but other directories has only root user, means owner has full permission, group and other user have only limited permission. So this is the way that you can create any directory with custom permission also. Same thing, if you want to create a directory with number series like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, this type, then what you can do? I will write mkdir is the command. After that, name of directory should be A, series will be 1 to 100, same as recall touch command. So what it will do? It will create A1, A2, A3 up to A100. You can see I will ls, then all data has created, all directory has created A1, A2, A3 up to A100. So guys, this was the mkdir command. I hope it will be helpful for you. So guys, continue watching my videos, as well as like, share, subscribe my videos with your friends and your LinkedIn family. We will meet on next video. Have a good day.